In this video, I'll show you how to create a content reference to a PH query. The content reference will allow us to access the query results within the navigation. We will start off by creating a simple PH query, then we will create the content reference to the query, and finally we will access the content reference to view the query results. Let's get started. Navigate to Reporting Tools, Query, Query Manager, then click on Create New Query. Search for PS OperaDefn, click Add Record, select fields to display, in my case, Opera ID, Ample ID, and OperaDefn description. Add criteria. Click the Run tab to view results, then save the PH query. In order to create the content reference, we will navigate to People Tools, Portal, Structure and Content, then we will click on Custom Components, then click on Add Content Reference. For the name field, we will enter MXM_PS OperaDefn. For the label, we will enter all users. For the node, we will select SA. For the URL type, we will select PeopleSoft generic URL. And for the portal URL, we will enter our PS query name. Then we will save. To view the PH query results within the navigation, we will navigate to Custom Components, then click on All Users. And that's how you create a content reference to a PH query. If you found this tutorial helpful, please subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.